What is up, everybody? We alive? Another day above soil. We are back at it again. On the road to 100 subscribers. Woo, 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 woo. If you want to join me on this fantabulous endeavor, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button right down below. I'm also going to include my Etsy and Instagram right within the description. I don't know about y'all, but I've been on a kick with some paper bags. I've already got a whole slew of newspapers. I've got an excess of plastic bags. I've got a whole bunch of bottle caps. Quite frankly, I've done quite a few things with them here and there. I want to use paper bags a little bit more. Just recently, I made this. Now, I made a wreath that looked just like this, but with newspaper. This is all made with rolled paper bags. I went to Price Chopper, I went to Walmart, I went to the Tops. Anywhere where they had paper bags, I put my belongings, my groceries in these paper bags, and I used them. I turned them all into art. Now, there's already some people who have thought, hey, Drew, have you thought about turning this into a clock? I might one day. I really would. I've actually thought about some concepts. But I also want this to be a wreath as well. So before we get busy with things, I'm going to need a few more paper bags because I want to make a legitimate wreath out of paper bags and cardboard. So we're going to head over to the Price Chopper right before I knock him down over the bowling alley. All right, y'all. Made it through Price Chopper. Got a few items here and there. I plan on making some Vietnamese pho. Yep, some chicken pho. It's really cold outside. Could use a bowl of soup. They didn't have fish sauce, but I'm gonna go to Wegmans tomorrow to see if they got it. But tonight, I'm about to head to that bowling alley and I'm about to throw some strikes. But while I do, I'm gonna be cutting some paper and I'm going to do the first steps of my next project. I hope y'all ready, cause we about to do another time lapse. All right, I'm not gonna lie. That was a relatively quick project. But I'm good with the outcome. I'm cool with the outcome. I'm gonna put this on Etsy. This could be yours today. But ladies and gentlemen, the next thing that I'm going to make is going to be a little bit more advanced. I've been thinking about making some pandas, some bamboo, and I'm going to throw in some sakura blossoms. You could go ahead and go back to my video on the tea when I made the sakura blossoms. It's a wonderful video. So if you're brand new to this channel, feel free to stop by. As per usual, I have a relatively important question to ask of you before we part ways and leave. If you went to sleep tonight and you didn't wake up the next day, would you truly be satisfied with the life that you've lived? If your answer is no, then it's most definitely time to do some soul searching and think about some of the changes that you need to make with your life. I say this because there's a lot of things within our society that discriminate. Death, however, does not discriminate. I want to thank y'all once again for watching my content. If this is your first, second, third, or whatever time watching, hit that subscribe button. It's right down below. Become a part of the LDX family on the road to 100 subscribers. I leave you all with much love, good spirits, and vibes. Until next time, I see y'all later. I'm out.